like in the water watching me?
Yes, in the water with them.
That was deep right there.
It's up to my neck. That's my dad right there, boys.
Oh, that's cool with that
Is it
smoke.
that deep?
I ain't playing. Fish just jumped out and slapped him in the face.
That was. Ow! Why did it hit me?
It did, dude. You just got slapped in the face out there.
I thought that threw something.
No, that fish just slapped you in the face.
How big was it? It was as big as my
It
head.
was handful anyway.
I'm scared now.
He just got slapped in the face, y'all. Oh! You can't do this anywhere else but out in the middle of the war.
You gotta love an amphibious motherfucker like this. You know?
How do you edit it, all this stuff? Is it hard?
Yeah, it takes a minute on the computer.
Is it fun though?
Yeah.
It's that deep.
Yeah! Out here with them boats, boy. What? Tell them about it. We're out here with them boats, ain't we?
Yeah, my dad made a hand.
Woo!
Not no store bought.
I went soft right here.
Come on, let's go see what's going on. Can you touch?
Yeah, I'll touch it.
Okay. I just make sure before we go too much far. It ain't gonna get no deeper though.